Are you whooping on Daddy now? Sure, go ahead. Break my nose.
Oh!
I'm gonna get you for that.
Hi, Boo. Hi. Hi, cutie.
What are you doing? You gonna be a basketball player or something? Ow, ow. It's not funny. Ow. It is to me. Oh, I can't reach it now. Why don't you throw around this guy?
She's like bad.
Like a duck.
Hi, Boo Boo. You love her? Give her kisses real soft. You getting hippo attacked? Huh, Boo Boo?
Hi, Juliet. I'm your friend Hippo. You're not looking at me. You're intrigued by the camera.
Mm-hmm.
You can spot a sense that somebody's filming you too. Say, I don't like the camera.
Hi, Jujubee.
Look at that little mouth. Say, goo.
She's like, arr.
Dada.
Mama.
Mama.
Oh. You say mama?
Mama.
She's like, fools. I'll say what I want to say. She's like, Dad, this ain't working no more. Look, I lift her up by her little hands. Strong, huh?
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh, babe. I'm going to turn this off so I can save you, Juliet. Daddy's getting crazy.